Shot TV, and today we have the Nike Air Max 180. These are the Air Max 180 Ultramarine. If you're familiar with our channel, you know we love vintage Nikes over here, including Air Maxes. But before we jump into it, we want to give a huge shout out to 1985 Gallery for letting us get an early look at these. Let's go ahead and dive into the details. They feature a neoprene tongue with the 180 Air in solar red. On top of that, you do have that accent color of the Ultramarine, same color as the collar lining. They come with flat white laces. As you get towards the toe box, you do have this nylon material that's surrounded by soft white suede overlays. Taking us to the side of the shoe, you have more nylon and more suede overlays. With the quarter panel, you do have a see-through nylon that has a Ultramarine Nike swoosh overlay as well. Underneath that, you do have this plastic piece in solar red that wraps around the whole heel cup of the shoe, which takes us to the back. Taking us to the back of the shoe, you have more nylon, more suede overlays, and you do have a solar red Nike Air hit on the back of the heel cup that's embroidered in. And underneath that, you have the 180 that's embossed into the midsole. Taking us to the midsole, it's this polyurethane material in white. And you have more of the solar red color as well that goes around the Air unit. You do have that big Air unit in the heel, and what you don't see is another Air unit in the forefoot. Taking us to the outsole, you do have more hits of the Ultramarine, the black that has the waffle traction, and then you have more solar red that has another Nike logo in the middle. Then you have the translucent rubber that goes over the Air unit, which gives you a 180 view of the air bubble. For those of you who might not know, the Air Max 180 made its debut in 1991. They were designed by both Bruce Kilgore and Tinker Hatfield. They've retroed a handful of times over the years, but this is the closest that they've got to the original shape and the original sizing of the Air unit. They even threw in the original box. Couple fun facts, Comme des Garçons did a collaboration for an Air Max 180 a few years back with the black and hyper pink and the white and hyper pink. And also Michael Jordan was seen sporting a pair of Air Max 180s in the white, gold, and Concord colorway during a photo shoot for the 1992 Dream Team. Now, I'm not the biggest Air Max guy, but I definitely appreciate the Air Max 180 because these help pave the way for one of my favorite Nike basketball shoes of all time, the Air Force 180. And because Nike's retroing these, hopefully an Air Force 180 retro is right around the corner. The Air Max 180 Ultramarine will be releasing on Friday, May 24th. They retail for $150. If you're in the area, make sure you stop by 1985 Gallery. They always do first come, first serve. But if you're not in the area, you can click our StockX affiliate link to make your purchase. Any purchase made using that link helps support the channel so we can keep these reviews coming for you all. We appreciate all the support. As far as comfort goes, the Air Max 180 is one of the more comfortable retro Air Maxes. It's very lightweight on the upper. You can feel the Air unit in the heel. You can also feel the Air unit in the forefoot. As far as sizing goes, I suggest going true to size. As far as style goes, the Air Max 180 is such a timeless silhouette, has a very low profile, sleek look to them. And this colorway right here is just eye-catching, it's very popping. You don't have to match it one for one, but you can do a lot of crazy fits with these. Goes good with shorts, chinos, jeans, all that good stuff. But how do you guys feel about the Air Max 180? Is this something you've been waiting for Nike to bring back in that true original form? Did you already own a couple pairs? Let us know in the comments below. And as always, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button. We appreciate all the support. Let's go ahead and try these on.
We got what you waiting on. I'm tapped in like Savion. My tap water Avion. Air Force 180s on. We got what you waiting on. Don't hit me when the game is on. Big bets that I'm banking on.
Tickets cash, I put half the winnings in the stash. Then I take the other half, parlay on a tennis match. Hockey goals, money lines on the Flames from Calgary. Winning time, champagne spraying off the balcony. Vintage Mountain North Face with the ladder lock from 94. Two-tone Rangers when I step up to the batter's box. They wanna see the gods fall, but nah, this isn't Ragnarok. I spit that uncut bag to rock, and the fiends, they need it back in stock. It's like the battle of the bay, me and Frey, we
If you enjoyed this review on the Nike Air Max 180 Ultramarine, make sure you check out all our other vintage Nike reviews. We have a bunch for you all to watch and enjoy. And make sure you hit that like and subscribe button so you can be notified when we drop new episodes, and we'll catch you on the next one.